Hi friends, welcome to your channel MRNS Education and Social Service. Dear students, today's topic is differentiation. You will see some important questions on this chapter. Question number 1 is, let f of x equal to g of x by x when x not equal to 0 and f of 0 equal to 0 if f of 0 equal to g of 0 equal to g dash 0 equal to 0, g double dash 0 equal to 17, then find f dash 0. My dear students, it is very important chapter, differentiation. From this chapter, at least 5 questions will come in MCET examination point of view. నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్లో కూడా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ మీద చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ చేశాను. జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మెయిన్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో తీసుకుంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ 1 or 2 ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి. అడ్వాన్స్లో కూడా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, డిఫరెన్షియబిలిటీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. నా వీడియోస్ని ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ వరకు చూడండి. మీకు మంచి క్వశ్చన్స్, మంచి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటాను. అలాగే నా వీడియోస్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా షేర్ చేసి వాళ్ళని కూడా చూడమని చెప్పండి. ఆ విధంగా మీరు పక్క వాళ్ళకు కూడా హెల్ప్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. లైక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు, కామెంట్ కూడా చేయండి. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? He want f dash 0. Now for this question, shooted point is like this. F dash x equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. This is the definition of the derivative. First principle కూడా దీని నుంచే వస్తుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. f dash x equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. See, f dash 0, we take it as f dash 0 like this. Limit f dash a, students, f dash a. Limit x tends to 0, f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0. Here given f of 0 as 0, which is equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x minus 0 by x minus 0, since f of 0 equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0, f of x by x. What is f of x value given? Limit x tends to 0, f of x is g of x by x. Already one x is there, it becomes x square. When you substitute limit x tends to 0, it is g of 0 by 0 square. G of 0 is given as 0, so it becomes 0 by 0 form. If you get 0 by 0 form, use L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator and denominator. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately, which is equal to limit x tends to 0, g dash x by x square derivative is 2x. If you substitute x tends to 0, g dash 0 by 0, g dash 0 is also 0. Here g of 0 equal to 0. Here g dash 0 equal to 0. It is 0 by 0 form. If you have 0 by 0 form, again use L'Hospital rule. LH rule antam dinne. LH rule. LH rule. On applying LH rule, it becomes limit x tends to 0, g double dash x by 2 into 1. X derivative is 1. Here no x, that means when you substitute x tends to 0, here there is no 0. So apply limit, it becomes g double dash 0 by 2. Given as g double dash 0 as 17, given. So 17 by 2. Our answer is f dash 0 equal to 17 by 2. Therefore, f dash 0 equal to 17 by 2. Okay na students? So, here first shooted point is f dash a f dash a equal to limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. This is very important formula. Please note this one. Almost students, two formulas ఎక్కువగా ఈ ఫంక్షనల్ రిలేషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఇంకో ఫార్ములా మనకి f dash x ఈక్వల్ టు లిమిట్ h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అంటే కూడా అంటాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఫార్ములా ఇది. ఎక్కువగా ఈ రెండింటిని యూజ్ చేసి మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం ఇలా ఫంక్షనల్ రిలేషన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? See next question. Let f from R to R be a function satisfying f of x plus y equal to f of x plus lambda xy plus 3x square y square for all x comma y belongs to R. If f of 3 equal to 4, then he want f of 5 and f of 5 equal to 52. Then he want f dash x. My dear students, according to the structure, we consider relations. F of x plus y is equal to given as f of x plus lambda xy plus 3x square y square. దీనికి ఇంకో ప్రొసీజర్ ఉంది. పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయటం విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y, పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y. According to given value, you take y value as x equal to 0 like that. Before that, first you find the lambda value. How can you find? Given f of 3 equal to 4, f of 5 equal to 52. You know the 3 value, 5 value. For that, put x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Why you consider x equal to 3? F of 3 equal to 4. When you put x equal to 3, it becomes f of 3. Don't take x equal to 2, y equal to 3, because when you take x equal to 2, this value becomes f of 2. F of 2 value is not given in data, so don't take. You consider the values of x and y according to the given data. It is very important. For x equal to 3, y equal to 2, it becomes f of 5 equal to f of 3 plus x is 3, y is 2. 3 into 2, 6 lambda. x3, 3 square, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Y equal to 2, 4. 27 into 4, 28. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 108. This is 108. Given f of 3 equal to 4, since f of 3 value is 4, substitute f of 5, 4 plus 6 lambda plus 108. Here given f of 5 as 52, 6 lambda, 4 plus 108 is 112. From this 6 lambda equal to, bring this 112 to this side, it becomes, tell me here, 652 minus 60 left. 112 ఇటువైపు తీసుకొస్తే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. So lambda value is minus 10. This is the lambda value. To find f dash x, apply first principle formula or differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. When you partially with respect to y, x terms becomes constant. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to y partially. So f dash x plus y into x constant 0, y derivative 1 equal to, here it is x terms, derivative is 0. Lambda x is constant, y derivative 1. 3x square constant, y square derivative 2y. He want f dash x, so that put x equal, y equal to 0 for f dash x. When you take y equal to 0, this LHS value becomes f dash x, y value 0. Lambda is how much? minus 10 x. Y is 0, it becomes 0. Therefore, f dash x equal to minus 10x. This is the answer, students. So, partial derivative. Students, if you not understand this method, use first principle. What is first principle? F dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. We know f of x plus h. X, y place lo h undi. From this relation, you write f of x plus h equal to f of x plus lambda x h plus 3x square h square. Substitute and simplify, we get f dash x. This is another method. This is the best method, students. If you given relation, differentiate that relation with respect to y partially and then put y equal to 0 to get f dash x. If you want f dash to x, put y equal to x. X plus x becomes f dash to x. According to the what he asked, you take y value. We take y value. Next question, students. Let f of x be a function which is differentiable any number of times. అంటే మనం ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయొచ్చు అని అర్థం. And f of 2x square minus 1 equal to 2x cube into f of x for all x belongs to R. Then 2010 times derivative of f of 0 value he want. ఇక్కడ f కి పవర్ లో బ్రాకెట్ ఇండికేట్ చేశాడంటే అర్థం డెరివేటివ్ చేయమని. ఎన్నిసార్లు డెరివేటివ్ చేయమని అంటే 2010 టైమ్స్ డెరివేటివ్ చేసిన తర్వాత x ప్లేస్ లో 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. He want that value. Here f power of n means nth derivative of f of x at x. My dear students, మనకి ఒక ఫంక్షనల్ రిలేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు f of 2x square minus 1 equal to 2x cube into f of x. ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ రిలేషన్ కానీ ఏదైనా అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుందనేది చూడాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏది అప్లికబుల్ అవ్వదు. కానీ మనకి 2010 టైమ్స్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలంటే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ లో చాలా కష్టం. లాజిక్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. x క్యూబ్ ఉంది. f of 2x square minus 1 equal to 2x cube into f of x. ఈ సైడ్ x square ఉంది. సో రీప్లేస్ x by minus x in 1. We get, so f of 2x square minus 1 equal to x place lo minus x raste minus 2x cube f of minus x. In 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, LHS is same, students. So 2x cube f of x equal to minus 2x cube f of minus x. 2x cube getting cancelled. What happened here? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. Multiply this minus to this side. Multiply with the minus on both sides. When f of minus x equal to minus f of x is odd function. F of x is odd function. A function f of x is said to be odd function if f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Dear students, please remember that. Derivative of even times of the function at x equal to 0 is always 0. For example, listen here carefully. You take f of x equal to x cube. First derivative, or you take f of x cube plus x. It is odd function. First derivative is 3x square plus 1. Second derivative is 6x. Second derivative means even number of times derivative. F dash 0 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 on both sides. You take another example, f of x equal to sin x. It is odd function. F of minus x becomes minus f of x. Its first derivative is cos x. Its second derivative is minus sin x. Its third derivative is minus cos x. its fourth derivative is sin x. See, second derivative minus sin x, fourth derivative sin x. When you put x equal to 0, f double dash 0 equal to f double fourth derivative of 0 equal to all r becomes sin 0 0 minus sin 0 0. So for the odd function, even number of times the derivative is 0 when x equal to 0. Even number of times the derivative is 0. See, f of 2010. 2010 is even. So, f 2010 the derivative at x equal to 0 is 0 students. Simple logic. Function even order decide చేయాలి. So ఈ విధంగా చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈజీ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, it is very very important one. Read data very carefully and write down the conditions according to the data. F is an increasing function from R to R such that f double dash x greater than 0. Second derivative is greater than 0. First given. Another is f is an increasing function. F is an increasing function. Students, when the f is increasing function, f dash x is less than 0. This is very very important. This f double dash x greater than 0 is given. F is an increasing function. Increasing function means f dash x greater than 0. Increasing function f dash x greater than 0. F double dash x greater than 0. F inverse x exists. Then he want second derivative of f inverse x. Students, let g of x equal to f inverse of x. From this, f of g of x becomes x only. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get, apply chain rule. First outer function derivative into inner function derivative. X derivative 1. Write down g dash x equal to 1 by f dash g of x. See, we assumed this as g of x. D square of g of x by dx square means g double dash x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get g double dash x equal to, it is of the form 1 by x model. 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by f dash g of x whole square into, tell me its derivative. 1 by x, but it is not x. Write down its derivative. F dash derivative is f double dash of g of x into inner function derivative is g dash x. See students, g dash x equal to 1 by f dash. Write down that value. G double dash x equal to minus 1 by f dash g of x whole square f double dash of g of x into g dash x. G dash x is 1 by f dash g of x. My dear students, f dash x, whatever it may be inner value here, f dash x greater than 0. So from this relation 1, f dash g of x positive greater than 0, because greater than 0 is there. F double dash g of x is also greater than 0. Both are greater than zeros. So here is a minus. It is a positive value. Greater than means it is positive, positive. My dear friends, minus into positive value is a minus. That means g double dash x is a negative value. This is the answer. What is g double dash x? It means second derivative of g of x by dx square less than 0. We assumed g of x as f inverse x. So second derivative of f inverse x with respect to x square is a negative value. Option like this is negative or positive, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, greater than 0, less than 0. Like this we have options. So this is very important model, students. See, if you have given inverse functions, we take that inverse function as g of x. From this we may write g circle f of x equal to x or f circle g of x equal to x. You may take this or this according to the question. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, జాగ్రత్త ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.